Assalamu alaikum. Today we have another LeetCode problem. You are given an array prices where prices of I is the price of a given stock on the I's day. You want to maximize your profit by choosing a single day to buy one stock and choosing a different day in the future to sell that stock. Return the maximum profit you can achieve from this transaction. If you cannot achieve any profit, return zero. We have the first example. We have the prices array. This is D1, D2, D3, D4, and so on. We should return 5 in this case. Let's see how it is calculated. He, we should buy on D2, which has price of 1. So this is the minimum price. So we should buy in this day. And the sell on D5, which will make 6 minus 1 equal 5. This is the maximum profit. But as you can see, we cannot uh, buy in D1, D2 and sell in D1 because we cannot, we have to buy first, then we sell in the future. We cannot go in the past. So this array go into this direction. So yeah, if we cannot achieve any profit, we should return 0. Now let's jump into the code. Let's first initialize our variables. So we have main price equals to should be the first day, and we have profit. The default profit should be 0. Then we should start our for loop for I equals to 1. This is the second day. I is less than count of prices and I plus plus. So we have the first condition if prices of I, the D2 is less than min price. So we should assign min prices of I and should check for profit. Profit would be prices of I minus min price. If it's greater than our profit, then we will assign profit to this new profit, right? And we will return profit. Let's run the code. We have an error, semicolon is missed. Let's run again. Yeah, it is accepted. Let's submit it. It's a correct solution with good performance. We can beautify our code by using built-in functions. So this code could be memprice equals to min of min price and prices of I. So it will take the less value, and here as well we can do profit equal to max of profit and the other value, this one. Yeah, so let's remove those if conditions. We have a semicolon as well. All right, it's correct. Let's submit the solution. Yeah, I believe the first one has better performance, but I think there is no much difference. So, in the context of actual work, I may choose something like this. The other one is better performance, a little bit better, but has more lines of code, but it's still good as well. So, you are free to choose which way to go. Yeah, that's it for today. I hope the video is informative. And yeah, see you in the next video.